Yo, what's up everybody and welcome back to JWS Let's Talk. On today's video we're going to talk about microphones, cheap mics for that matter. Specifically, you've got the Rode VideoMic Go, the Rode Smartlav Plus, the Takstar SGC-598 and we're going to chuck in the Zoom H1n, why not? Just to note, I do use the Zoom H1n as an external recorder, which is awesome by the way, but the video will be comparing the built-in mic on the H1n. I've put them all on a rig to keep it fair, apart from the lav mic, which will be on my chest because I don't really want to stick it on the rig I've got set up because that's not how the lav mic works. I'm also using the Zoom H1n as an audio interface and I'll be setting the gain to 8 on the H1n to keep everything fair. The Takstar is a powered microphone, but that will be set to 0 for this test. The price for each of these mics is, you've got the Zoom H1n which is around 125, you've got the Rode VideoMic Go which is around 75, you've got the Rode Smartlav Plus which is around 70 with the adapter, and the Takstar SGC-598 for around 30, which is the cheapest of the lot, but it is quite a good quality built mic. But the Rode Smartlav Plus will need a recorder like the Zoom H1n or your phone. I usually just use my iPhone if I've not got my H1n with me. Also, you will need a converter lead, the TRRS to TRS, so you can use it with a recorder or your phone. Check out the link in the description below, which does include the additional adapter lead and lav mic for around 75. We will be comparing the sound quality with no editing so you can hear the difference. The Zoom H1n has a built-in stereo condenser microphone in a 90° X and Y stereo format. Got the Rode VideoMic Go, it's a directional shotgun. It's a super cardioid which picks up front, side and rejects 150 degrees to the rear. The Rode Smartlav Plus is an omnidirectional microphone and will pick up sound from all around. And last but not least is the Takstar SGC-598, which is a directional shotgun cardioid microphone which picks up from the front and sides but rejects most of the noise from the rear, and also has a bass switch which will be set off for this test. Now remember, there is no sound editing in this test, just straight from the mics, so let's get into it. Sound quality test on 4 affordable microphones. 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 Let's just listen to them again. Sound quality test on 4 affordable microphones. 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 Well, what do you guys think? You'll have to drop us a comment, let us know which one was your favourite mic, and the links for each one of these mics are in the description below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and that's me for now. Over and out.